Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding Ph.D. admission in NIT Agartala. So NIT Agartala has given notification for Ph.D. For July to December 2022 academic session. The departments you can apply, you can see in this matrix, in the left side they have given department list, and right side department specific areas. Like you can apply for civil engineering. In that broad area of research are quality and treatment of water and waste water, heavy metal removal, solid waste management, ecology, absorption modeling, remote sensing and GIS, membrane filtration, anaerobic design, composting, dynamic response and stability, geotech engineering, field of transportation engineering, water resource engineering, structural engineering, and liquefaction. Next one, landslide, slope stability, geo-environmental study, and seismology. Likewise, there are too many areas. You have to choose any one or two. In the online application, you have to fill that. Second department, mechanical engineering. In this the areas are sustainable energy, tribology, biotribology, phase engine, heat transfer, boiling and condensation, refrigeration and air conditioning, energy system analysis, flow boiling in horizontal tube, fluid flow and heat transfer in macro channel, alternatives fuel, hydrodynamics, manufacturing technology, IC engine, alternative fuel and based strategies in IC engine, alternative fuel, building analysis, composite material, heat transfer, multi-phase flow, CFD, design optimization, CAD, advanced composites, advanced manufacturing system, robotics, about optimization and non-traditional machining. Third department, electrical engineering. You can select areas in optoelectronics, instrumentation, industrial instrumentation, solid state laser and non-linear optics, fiber optic sensor, integrated photonics devices, fiber optics communication, power system, high voltage engineering, energy and renewable power, distributed power generation, hybrid power system, energy conservation, power system planning under a smart grid, demand response, electric mobility, application of evolutionary techniques or deregulated power system, power quality, energy efficient data center, frequency conversion, non-linear optics, laser and non-linear optics, surface plasmon based sensor and devices, etc. Next department, computer science and engineering. Areas are VANET, information retrieval, application of machine learning, deep learning in text processing, machine learning in visual interferences, artificial intelligence and neural network, cryptography, steganography, data privacy, cyber security, network security, data analysis, etc. Next is production engineering. In that you can select foundry forging, SG iron steel, aluminum alloy waste composite material, grain refinement, manufacturing technology, multi criteria decision making, case based reasoning, advanced fluidics, production and operation management, non traditional machining, financial management, travelology of bearing, asset management, machining technology, decision making, plant maintenance, casting, welding, and soft computational approaches. Next department, electronics and communication. You can select either image processing, microwave and antenna, VLSI design and synthesis, control and instrumentation, bioimpedance and signal analysis, device and material characterization, microwave circuits and antennas, metamaterials, superstate, VLSI semiconductor device, nanoelectronics, optoelectronics devices, nanotech, VLSI, hardware security, network on chip, electronic design automation. Next department, chemical engineering. You can select water and wastewater treatment, adsorption, bio remediation, utilization of biofilm for waste removal of heavy metal, dyes and other emerging contaminant, microalgae and cyanobacteria based biofuel and bioproduct, etc. Next department, bioengineering, electronics instrumentation engineering, physics, chemistry, maths, management and humanity and social sciences. Minimum qualification required for that is for engineering department MEM Tech with 6.5 CGPA or 65% marks, either bachelor degree or BTech with CGPA 9 out of 10 and having valid GATE score, or MSc with good academic record and of exceptional merit are eligible for a relevant engineering discipline with minimum CGPA 6.5. Preference will be given to GATE qualified candidate. However, for availing a scholarship of MHRD, GATE score is mandatory. Category of scholars under section A: full-time with a scholarship, full-time self-financed scholar. Full-time with a scholarship, GATE score is mandatory criterion for this category of scholars for making themselves eligible for receiving a scholarship during the tenure of Ph.D. Fellowship awarded to the scholar who are admitted under this category subjected to availability as stipulated by MHRD. Award and renewal of fellowship will be as per guidelines issued by Ministry of Education from time to time. And second category, full-time self-financed scholar. In that GATE score is not mandatory, and you will not given any fellowship. For science department, you must have for science department like physics, chemistry, you must have your MSc with 65% marks or 60% marks out of 10 with a minimum of 65% marks or equivalent 6.5 CGPA in 10-point scale, or 60% marks 6 CGPA of 10-point grading system with GATE score or UGC CSIR net or NBHM to enable for the year of admission. Preference will be given to GATE and net qualified candidate. Or MEM Tech with good academic record with CGPA 6.5 on 10-point scale or 65% marks. Preference will be given to GATE qualified candidate. Or if you have EB Tech with 9 CGPA with valid GATE score, you can apply. Candidate admitted in science department with eligibility criteria in B 1 to 3 are eligible for institute scholarship under full time with scholarship category based on availability and decision of competent authority from time to time. And same renewal of fellowship will be as per guidelines issued from time to time. Admission to humanity and social sciences, same thing. You have to your master degree in relevant discipline with CGPA 65% marks or equivalent, or 6.5 CGPA in 10-point grading system, or 60% or 6 CGPA in a 10-point scale with UGC CSIR net NBHM to enable for the year of admission. The relevant discipline of research will include English, economics, commerce, finance, foreign trade, business management, geography, rural management and development. Likewise, for management, you must have MBA or PG diploma in management of 2 years, duration with 65% marks or CGPA 6.5 in 10-point scale. Preference will be given to GATE or net qualified candidate. Same thing, you must have your MH for management department. Full-time with scholarship preference will be given for institute scholarship based on ability and decision of competent authority from time to time. Same thing. Institute employ research scholar under external registration or research scholar under part-time category. If you are employed there or you are working in any like project etc., then you can apply in that. For research scholar of this category, minimum educational qualification are same as prescribed in A to D for admission to PhD department in respective category. However, GATE score or CSIR, UGC for lectureship, NBHM, GMAT, CAT, AIMA or equivalent as applicable for regular full-time scholar may not required in this case. For foreign scholars, they have and they must have qualified either GRE, GMAT, GATE, JMAT, CAT, JAT, MAT. Likewise, availability of seat and for July to December 2022 academic session. सीट कैटेगरी ओपन के लिए अवेलेबल, ओबीसी नॉन क्रीमी लेयर अवेलेबल, एससी अवेलेबल, एसटी अवेलेबल, ओपन ईडब्ल्यूएस अवेलेबल, फिजिकली हैंडीकैप्ड अवेलेबल. Instruction for applicants: all applicants must apply online. I will upload this link in description box and apply this. Their website is compatible with Mozilla. Multiple programs may be applied by the applicant. Separate registration and application fee have to pay. After registration, application ID and with password will be sent to email ID provided by the applicant. Using the login credential, you have to log in. Then application fee must be paid only by online portal from the site. After completion and submission, filled in application in PDF format will be generated on the date of selection process. You have to bring printed copy of online filled in form along with all original necessary documents to support all educational qualification, date of birth, category, GATE score, and set of photocopy of all document duly self-attested. These all are the documents. You take the screenshot. Important note: migration certificate and conduct character certificate are mandatory during provisional admission. Full-time sponsored and part-time candidate, including institute staff, must submit a sponsorship and NOC certificate as in the case may be in prescribed format. You have to pay 500 for open category, OBC non-criminal and EWS, and 300 for SC/ST and PWD category. Offline handwritten or printed application will not be entertained. Incomplete application will be rejected. Selection procedure: they will shortlist based on first they will screen the candidate, then they will take written test by conducted by means individual departments. Then they will take interview based on based on all process. They will select you. This is the date. Starting of online application already started too early from 9th of May. Last date 27th May. I think that will be extended. That will be extended up to 6th of June, and this is earlier application, so you can check out that. Publication of shortlisted candidates 7 June. Written test and interview 21st June and 22nd June. Publication of shortlisted candidate will be published on 1st of July 2022, and provisional admission from 4th of July to 8th of July, Monday to Friday. So that's all about today. Hello. So this is the extended date notice. Last date 7th of June. Last date for submission of online application 7 June, and publication of shortlisted candidate will be published on 15th of June. Other date will remain unchanged. So that's all about today's update. Subscribe to the channel if you are visiting my channel first time. Share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice